Hello traders, Igor here, MrTopTick.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, January 20th. It is monthly expiration for index options. We are going to choose one random subscriber to our YouTube channel to join us for the next 30 days in one of our two trade alert services, Income Navigator or Active Trader Pro. We're going to do that in just a little bit. Today, I want to just give you an update on 112 bear traps that we are currently running. We put these trades on every week, and then we have one trade rolling off every single week as well. So today we have January 20th, 112 bear trap rolling off. This trade has been open for 52 days. We haven't had much movement since we opened this trade. We moved about minus 0.06 standard deviations. We can look at a chart. So this is where we took this trade. S&P was trading at around 39.57. We had a couple of attempts to break above 4,100 on the S&P. We had a pullback down to about 3,800 level. And now we are trading right at 39.33. Also, we can see that this trade did not require any adjustments whatsoever. So this is a very boring trade, if you will. And this is a very typical 112 bear trap where we're going to expire somewhere outside of the bear trap. Obviously, the best case scenario for this trade is if the underlying was somewhere inside of our put debit spread and inside of our out of the money short puts that are naked. This trade was constructed by going long 38.40, 38.10 put debit spread. So this is a 30-point wide put debit spread. And then we sold to finance this put debit spread. We sold 2 times as many 3,300 puts naked. So we collected $10.50. This is a 5 lot. So this trade is, the total P&L for this trade is about $5,100. Commissions were $9 in total, not including any exchange fees. So this is it for this trade. We're just going to let it run out at the close. All options that are part of this trade are going to expire out of the money, which means they are going to be worth nothing. And we could also take a look at what we have going on for the following week and the week after. So here's another trade. This trade has 7 days until expiration. We're trading fairly close to the bear trap, and we can see the expected move for next week is somewhere inside of 38.53. That's to the downside, and about 4,010, 4,011 to the upside. So if we do see a move to the downside, but within the expected range, we could potentially make the bear trap profit. Or if we move to the upside, we are not going to make the bear trap profit. We're just going to keep the credit that we had collected upon entry. In this trade, we made one adjustment, which was yesterday, with the market rolling over just a tiny bit. We were trading somewhere around 3,900 or so, and there was a chance that we either go deeper into the trap or we go outside of the trap. So to increase our potential profit in the event that the underlying is going to move outside of the trap, what we did, we had 5 put debit spreads, closed 3 of the 5, leaving 2 30-point wide put debit spreads open, and we are still holding short 10 of the 3,400 puts that are going to expire next week. And then we can look at the trade that's going to expire 2 weeks from today. And this is what this trade looks like. So it is a little more complicated since we had to make several adjustments. As you can see, we took this trade 38 days ago. 3 days after we took the trade, the market had pulled back. And obviously, the worst thing that can happen to this trade is that if we get a move lower right off the entry, T+0 line goes under, and we need to start to manipulate or manage our T+0 line to prevent big losses on the way down. So I will make a video going over adjustments that were made in this trade. So now we can see that over the next 2 weeks, this is the expected range. So there's a chance we may push deeper into the trap, or we may end up outside of the trap. So for right now, we're just going to let today's 112 bear trap run out. Next week, we're going to expire out of January 27th bear trap. And if we need to make any more adjustments to any of the existing trades, we will do so and post all the adjustments on the trade threads that we keep inside of Income Navigator trade alert service. And right now, we're going to run a random generator to pick one of the lucky subscribers to our YouTube channel to join us for 30-day trial to one of the 2 trade services that we run, Income Navigator or Active Trader Pro. So here we are. We have between 2 and 228 entries so far. We're going to generate a random number, and then we'll see who is the lucky winner. The lucky winner is number 160. And number 160 is Faye Suninan. Sorry if I mispronounce your name. We are going to send you an email with further instructions. Congratulations to all that participated, those that won and those that didn't. If you didn't win, don't get upset. We're going to run the same exact contest the following month. And if you still have not entered your name and your email address, you can do so. Link is going to be in the description. I hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll see you in the next one.